Good morning, children. Today I am going to start a new lesson, that is from your politics, first chapter on equality. In the 6th standard, you already studied about what is government, about government and types of government also. Mainly two types you studied, monarchy and democracy. What is the main difference between monarchy and democracy? Monarchy means king or queen is ruling. The final decision is taken by the king or queen. The people do not have any freedom to choose their government. That is hereditary. And democracy means the people have the power to choose their government. Power is inside the hand of the people. So people have the freedom to select their government. If any problem happened, if any decision is not liked by the people, that people have the right to question the government. That is known as democracy. Then India is a democracy. India is the most largest democratic country. It means supreme power lies with the common people who cast votes to elect a representative of their choice through election. So it means what is supreme power lies with the common people who cast their votes. Okay, the supreme power is inside the hand of common people. And people have the power and right to choose their government, select their government. And people have the freedom to express their opinion. So all these things are important features of democracy. And how people are choosing their power by the election. Through what they are choosing their government, selecting their government. So it is very important and most popular. Why it is become most popular? Because here people is very important. People have the power to choose their government. People can express their opinion. So that is known as democracy. Then in a democracy, a very important element of a democracy is known as equality. Equality is the most important element of a democracy. It is set up based on equality. Equality means everyone are equal before the law. There is no any discrimination based on gender, class or caste or creed or power or money. There is no any discrimination. All the resources and opportunities providing equally. That is known as equality. If any resources are not providing, opportunities are not providing equally, that is not equality, that is inequality. One example, if I attend an interview, government interview, and I have qualification and I am performed very well in the interview, but I didn't get job because I am a lower caste man. That means that is inequality. That is not equality. So in a democracy, the equality is most important. Equality is providing all are equal before the law. If I am performed very well, if I have qualification, if I have good mark, I should get job. So that is known as equality. Equal opportunities providing to everyone. Or for interview, they are not permitting because I am a lower caste man. So that is also inequality. That is not equality. So here equality is the most important element of the democracy. All are equal before the